Hi, this is David Borla from Borla Performance, and I'm here at the Borla Performance booth at the 2025 SEMA Show. Wanted to show you a little bit about some of the things we're displaying here at the show, here with Cruisin' USA. And what I want to show you right here first is our catback for the current Toyota Tacoma. This is an S-type catback. You'll see this embossing here that says S-type. That stands for a particular sound level that we offer. We typically have 3 different sound levels, with S-type being kind of the middle one. It's got a nice deep rumble to it, certainly substantially louder than stock, but not super loud. We have a louder one called Attack, but this is the S-type. And this is, as I mentioned, is for the current Toyota Tacoma. And one of the interesting things that you'll see with this system here is what we call a quarter wave tube. And what this does is this cancels out objectionable frequencies. There are different ways to achieve that goal, and packaging is always a challenge. So on this particular vehicle, rather than doing it some of the other ways we're capable of doing it, like with a Helmholtz technology or a Helmholtz muffler, we elected to use what's called a quarter wave tube here to eliminate that awful resonance in the cabin that we call drone. So this quarter wave tube here is going to make sure that this is a drone-free system. You will have no objectionable frequencies at any RPM inside or outside of the cabin. This muffler further tunes the exhaust note to attenuate objectionable frequencies and to amplify all the sounds we all love coming from this beautiful Toyota motor. One thing you'll notice that differentiates the Borla system from just about everything else on the market for this particular vehicle is that we're using a single-in, dual-out muffler, and you'll see that we're running a true dual pipes over the axle. So it's a single system coming into the muffler, and then when you come out of the muffler, it's dual all the way back. What you'll see on a lot of other systems is right at the tip, they'll put a Y pipe here, and otherwise it's just a single system. But one of the reasons why our system outperforms and sounds so much better than anything else on the market is because of this painstaking work that's being done here with the dual tailpipes. Both of these pipes go over the axle, and there's some real functionality for sound and performance, and it also looks a lot cooler than just having a Y pipe at the end of the system here. At the very end here, you'll see these laser cut Borla tips with these aggressive notches for the aesthetic look. And that is basically what we have for the current Toyota Tacoma.